Here is an ocean view on the Margarita at Sea Paradise, room 4108 to be exact. So going in, on your right you have the bathroom. Here is the shower. You got shower gel, shampoo, conditioner. On your left, you have a closet. You got two sides, and then some pull-out drawers. And then you have a little storage. Looks like there's your flotation devices, a safe. Got drawers with a hair blower. A little ice bucket. Some water, $5 a bottle. A little seat and desk. And then here you have a fold-out bed. Not going to open it all the way. It says must be opened by onboard staff, so not going to pull it all the way out. You got a TV, nothing but a breeze, some cool artwork, and then there's the window looking out. You have a little cubby hole. If you have European plugs, and it's the one thing I'm looking for are plugs. So that's a 220 voltage. I don't know where the plugs are. It's got to be over there. That must be the only plug, the only outlet in the room. So that must be it. So I had to bring an extension, one of those surge or non-surge protector plug extension cords or outlets. Oh, here's one right here. You got 110 voltage and 220. Okay. So yeah, I would buy a non-surge protected outlet extender or cord, something like that. I'll put the one I use down below in the link. So after a thorough investigation of the room, I do believe this is the only outlet, which is crazy, on the floor in the corner. It looks like there used to be a refrigerator here. Let's talk about the outlets. There is a USB-A and a USB-C plug here on the 220 volt next to the desk. Here is the plug extender that I got. It has a USB, USB-C, 2 USB-As, and then 3 additional plugs, one on each side. So it'll definitely come in handy in a place like this where there's only one outlet. It's a, what is it? It's a non-surge protector, so it works on the cruise ships. And once again, I'll put the link down below if you are curious or need one of these. One thing I think that's worth noting, if you've only been on Carnival, because Carnival does not have this, but they actually have real TV. I think Royal Caribbean was the only other ship I've ever been on that had like real TV channels. So that's cool. Not that you come onto a ship to watch TV, but if there's a game on, basketball game, baseball game, you know, football, definitely nice, not having to go sit at a bar to watch it. But that is an ocean view room on the Margarita at Sea Paradise. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe to see more cruise and Central Florida videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.